What is annihilation in physics? Annihilation refers to the act of reducing something to nothing. Annihilation is a process in which a particle and its corresponding antiparticle collide and are destroyed, converting their mass into energy, typically in the form of photons or other particles. Annihilation means to completely destroy or eliminate something so that it no longer exists. In physics, it specifically describes the process where a particle and its antiparticle collide and convert their mass into energy, effectively reducing them to nothing. This conversion follows Einstein's equation E=mc², demonstrating how mass can be transformed into energy. Annihilation is the process of completely destroying or obliterating something, often used in physics to describe the conversion of matter and antimatter into energy. Annihilation occurs when a particle meets its antiparticle, producing new particles, like photons. Energy and momentum are conserved in this process.